amazing artists. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. We are starting a brand new project, and this project is all about beautiful sunflowers. We are going to make the petals for our sunflower today. So at your table, you're going to have a few different things. You're going to have this messy mat, which is a piece of paper that we put under your artwork to catch all the mess. You're going to have some paint. We're going to use yellow paint and some gold paint too to really make our sunflower stand out a little bit more. And you're going to get a fork. I'll show you what we're going to do with that. We're not going to eat with this fork today. We're going to make art with it. And you're going to have a piece of paper with a circle drawn on it. This circle is going to represent the center or the middle of your sunflower. So we're going to use our fork today to make the petals for our sunflower all the way around our circle. So that's all you're going to need today. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fork and I'm going to use this side, the side that we eat with. But like I said earlier, we're not going to eat with this. And I'm going to dip that side around in my paint. If you want, you can mix it a little bit. The only thing that should be touching your paint is your fork. Do you think it's a good idea to put your fingers in this paint? Probably not a good idea, because then we'll get really messy all over our hands. Art can be messy sometimes, and that is okay as long as it's an accident, okay? If you're getting messy on purpose, then that shows Miss M that you're not ready to use paint yet. So please be careful and try not to make a mess with your paint today. The only thing that should be touching your paint is the top of your fork. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm grabbing some paint with my fork, and what I'm doing is I'm just taking my fork and I'm going to go all the way around the edge of my sunflower. You're going to have to keep dipping your fork in the paint and going around the edge. So I'm starting at the pencil line where that circle is, and I'm dragging my fork out. I'm dragging it out towards the edges of my paper. And sometimes it's very helpful if you want to rotate or move your paper around, so then it's easier to get all the way around the circle. So I'm just going over it a couple times. I'm not pressing down very hard to where I'm scratching my paper. I'm not going like this. My fork is actually flipped, so only the back of the fork is painting the petals for our sunflower. And I'm doing this pretty gently, because if I do it too hard, then I might start making some holes in my paper, and we don't want to put holes in our paper. So I'm dragging that paint out, and you see it's starting to make what looks like our beautiful sunflower petals. They look so pretty. This is just the start of our sunflower. Next time we're going to do the center of our sunflower, and I'm going to do a really fun technique with that we'll get to do next week. And then of course we're going to add the stem and probably some leaves on our stem. But right now we're focusing on using yellow and a little bit of gold in there to paint our beautiful sunflower petals. So I only have a little bit left. We want to go all the way around this circle that's on your paper. And I'm going all the way around until I get to where I first started. Okay, so I want my sunflower to be a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go around one more time and make it just a little bit bigger. You can do this for yours too if you want to. I just finished doing the petals for my flower. When you go all the way around your circle, then you know you will be done. I hope you guys have a lot of fun making the petals for your sunflowers today using a fork. That's not something we usually make art with, but it can be really cool and a lot of fun. I can't wait to see how your sunflowers are turning out. I know they're going to be amazing because you guys are amazing. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.